the trade has closed and I see that there are already $2.5 in account. I plan to increase this amount at least 3 times, and I'm already looking for a new currency pair. Okay, I made almost $2 in net profit in 3 minutes. Not bad, and I'm a one. Okay friends, my balance is already $8, excellent result, and I want to open a few more trades and sum up the results. Okay, so you can see everything was fine in this trade, but in the end I lost this amount. Yeah friends, I took the risk because I want to show you an example of a bad currency pair. I think you can repeat this with a more amount. This video is for those who don't have a lot of money to start trading and are looking for ways to grow account quickly and safely. For example, I only have $1 right now. I have been trading binary options for more than 5 years, and now I'll show you one of the really tested strategies that will help you. As proof, I wanted to show you the result of my subscriber in 1 week. He made $7,000 out of $20. He successfully withdrew the money and did everything according to the instructions. Let me show you how. You can always open the description of this video, join my Telegram and write "I want to work with you." I will give you access to my trading account. You can copy my signals, study my experience and communicate. It's only free today, so text me now so you don't forget, and then keep watching on. So try strategy and write your opinion in the comments. It's very interesting to me. And don't forget about $100 for 5 random people in every video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and just write me something to my Telegram, link only in the video description. In the next video I'll choose 5 people randomly and send money. This guys in the last video, maybe next time it will be used, so act right now, and I see you soon on my YouTube channel.